guys, so we're supposed to see the halting of a bullish trend today. We're in the last hour. Bullish trend still on fire, but we do have this Princess of Wands card at the end of the day, which indicates in the midst of a rally opportunity open up a short position. So the fact that we have this card here, I mean, we must have a decline overnight tonight. There's a Devil card here. This is an open lower card. Magus card here. This could mean a full retracement of the prior day, i.e. there's no, the high is nullified somehow, and sideways rotation around the low. Well, at this point, I'm pretty, you know, like I said, last chance would be here. I'm gonna get out tomorrow morning of these puts, and they melted my face off. There was two opportunities where I could have got out with a profit, and for whatever reason I was busy doing something else. I don't think I can trade and do all these readings. It's just not feasible to do both. It's just too much. It takes up too much of my time, and I'm distracted when I should be trading. Hey Philip. Yeah, so I was just saying, if you guys just hopped on, this is the halting of a bullish trend marked by a sharp decline through key support level. So probably going to be like, well, it could be this support level, but I'm thinking this is more like a key support level here. I'm so frustrated. But I decided I'm out. I'm not trading anymore, at least for the rest of the year. I'm not trading. I'm just going to focus on building this brand and making money, like developing the brand and products and things like that. Because to do both, to do all these predictions, run a small business with a team, and try and trade and be on top of my trades, I could have got out of these puts twice for a profit, and I missed both opportunities because I wasn't watching the market at the time. You know, very frustrating. Hey, happy man. Yeah, and so we've got the art card here. It's also tomorrow's overall trend and theme card. So my sense is probably that's a full retracement. We've got the halting of a bullish trend here at the end of the day with the Princess of Wands and a decline into the close. The Devil card indicates there could be like something scary, you know, making us fearful, like a sharp decline. And then this is an open lower card position here. The Magus card at the morning, and it's also a Princess. Which on the 1 month, that's the wrong one. Okay, I don't know where it went, so I'll just open it again. So we've got this cash out opportunity thing here, the ruin. Got the same ruin here. Cross congruency. It would make sense that since this is a decline card, a sharp decline card usually, it would make sense that since we saw the contrary throughout the day, that we would see like end of day decline, end of day drop, or overnight drop. I'm checking out this nullified card to get a better idea of what nullified means on the sneak preview card now that I have it. It's not actually so much of a sneak preview card as it is a relativity card, and it tells me where the following day's going to open. You see, this was a higher card, but it was nullified. So in the pre-market we were lower. By the open we were higher. Interesting. I'm learning because I just made that, like, changed the meaning of that position. Oh, I didn't even see that. The devil card in the post tomorrow as well. Wow. Yeah, but this is probably, my sense is because we see it here too. The art card is, it can identify two things, right? If there's no rally ahead of it, then it's probably a move higher followed by a full retracement back down of that move higher. But if there is a rally ahead of it, like the cards ahead of it are rally cards, then more likely what it's doing is a full retracement of that rally. And since we have it here at the end of the day, after a long rally, it's the theme card tomorrow, after a full day of a rally that was supposed to be a down day. My sense is that we have a full retracement, and a lot of that probably takes place overnight. Interesting. Yeah, and there's like a brief peak that'll be easily missed at the end of the day, and then the devil card again. So I mean, I got my face melted off with these puts. I'm really annoyed. But again, like if you're just hopping on, what I was saying is like I decided I got to stop trading, or I got to stop doing readings for everybody, and really. The readings are more important to me than trading, as much as I love trading, but I can't do both. There was 2 opportunities this week where I could have got out of those puts for a profit, and I wasn't in front of the computer for either opportunity. I was busy doing readings or something along that lines. I'm running a business with a team, building a brand. You know, there's a second business running as well. We're building in the background, which we're going to have a product by the end of November, ready for release. And it's an astrological charting application. It's pretty sick. It's just like the light version. We have a lot more to do, but we're gonna have something ready. So I'm doing all that. I can't do that and trade. So I'm gonna have to stop trading. I said I'm gonna give it a break for the rest of the year and just focus on building the brand and getting as far ahead as I can on predictions. When I'm not watching the market, it seems like my accuracy is way better. That's why I sit here and I'm like, I don't really want to watch the market right now. When I have money in and I'm watching the market, I should say. Sorry to hear that, Philip. So in any case, I'm getting out of those tomorrow. Let me take a look here. Puts us on the sequence of events. See, there's the low correlator on the 26th as well. So last chance here, opportunity, and then I think the following day, and it's not an opportunity for me to make a profit. I don't foresee. I think it's an opportunity for me to just get out of the position for a better, for a better chunk of change. Maybe, who knows? Maybe it drops like a mofo, and I get a profit. That would be awesome. Crazier things have happened. But my sense is that we rally out of that, whatever that trough is tomorrow, into a high here on the 27th. That might have something to do with the fake out. And then the rally continues into November, but it completes in November. I get this feeling that I missed something in this reading, guys, just to be clear. I did this during retrograde, so I might redo it. I don't like to redo things because it's like you're blending a manifestation, but I don't know. Or maybe I'll just keep that in mind that we're missing something here. I'm gonna look through it and see. Looks like the rally continues into the first week. There's that devil card. Interesting. But the rally continues into the first week, and then there's a decline here. This is a juicy short opportunity in the midst of the rally there. Sorry guys, I had some weird music pop on. If you guys don't know, if you're new to the channel, I listen to these. I have music playing almost all the time. I'm clairaudient. It's like the first thing I noticed when I started to realize I had psychic gifts. Was that the music was like, there's the meaning of what the music says that everybody hears, and then there's a secondary meaning, which is like it's synchronized with everything. It's like an ongoing conversation, you know. So I just play my music on random and listen to it and collect as many songs as I can. It's like a vocabulary for the universe to speak to me. And there's some climate-related event here, guys. In the last week, or second to last weekend, between the 18th and the 21st, somewhere over there's a climate-related event and an economic leader highlighted. So annoying. Melted my face off. The other issue for me is I need capital. I don't have enough capital to trade properly. It took me everything I had to get this far, you know, without working for somebody else. And also, guys, I'm not planning on staying on long here. I'm in the middle of doing readings. It's the moon in Scorpio, and it's an eclipse as well, which is super auspicious. So I'm trying to get as many readings done, like important readings done for 2023 and for the rest of the year. Anything in particular you guys want to ask before I like roll? Because I'm not going to stay on for the whole hour, guys. I gotta do these readings. Oops. Nothing in particular you guys want to ask? I know there's quite a delay on here. Oh wow, we're at 8:09, guys. I think we'll be at about 1,000 by the end of November. That's my sense, because we're picking up steam here. It was like maybe 3 weeks ago we were doing like 5,000 views in 28 days, or in 30 days, and now we're doing almost 9,000, so we like doubled. I think I'm also going to update the ebook, Philip. I was thinking about it because there's quite a few things that have changed or advanced since I wrote the book. So I'm thinking about doing an updated version. I want to get a press release out first. We're going to do a press release and send a press release to like all of these reporters that I've seen. That, like, we're going to research and see what reporters have done articles on a psychic before, and then we're going to send a press release to those reporters. Yeah, man, appreciate it, Philip. You definitely have had a part in its growth. That's for sure. Everybody has. Happy, man. You do a ton too, man. Much appreciated. Thank you, Solen Garugar. I hope I say it right. What's a great idea? Oh, this thing is just flying, man. Alright, I'm going to grab some water. I'll give you guys a minute to ask any questions, and then I'm going to roll because I really want to get these readings done. I'm doing like 2023s and Decembers and stuff. And then I want to do a bunch of readings to finish off November. Oh, yeah, cool. The ebook. I gotcha. I totally forgot I even said that. Yeah, it needs an update. Like, I've updated the monthly spread even. Well, no, I've updated the annual spread, I should say, the 1 year spread. Alright, I'm gonna grab some water. Alright guys, I'm gonna roll. Just to recap real quick. So my face got melted off on those puts. There was 2 opportunities I could have got out throughout having them, and I missed both opportunities because I was too busy doing something else for the channel, you know. Boo-hoo. That's what happens. So, you know, I'm just gonna take a break from the trading and just build the channel. But with that said, I'm still in puts, and I see probably a better opportunity than what's going on right now tomorrow morning. That's the sense, is that we have the art card here, end of day, usually means a full retracement, but there's a rally ahead of it, so it doesn't necessarily have within it the rally portion. If there's no rally cards ahead of it, then it'll rally higher. The card will mean a rally higher and then a full retracement of that rally. But if there's like a big rally going into that card and you see it in a prominent position, like closing, and then again in the theme position, something like that indicates more of like, we're going to retrace that this big move to the upside. We're bound by a range here early, and that's at the bottom of a range, I think, is probably where I'm going to close out of those puts. And it looks like there's quite a bit of upward movement midday here. There's a brief peak that will not that'll be easily missed. Appreciate it, Philip. Really nice words. I'm gonna screenshot that. You have a great day too, man. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll be back on tomorrow. It'll probably be a short one tomorrow as well because it's still going to be the moon in Scorpio and near an eclipse, so really auspicious energy to do readings. And we're going to maximize this energy and keep it nice and short. Appreciate it, Happy Man. Thank you. For you as